I'm Edward Johnson and I run a bespoke furniture and specialist joinery business, making one-off and limited edition pieces of furniture for private clients and for commercial clients. What sets us apart from other people? It's my style, fluid curves, form and function. It comes down to the detail and the level of craftsmanship. For me, it is a key point that our pieces of furniture are used. It runs through the whole design and construction process that we follow. We will make sure that we specify the right finishes that stand the test of kids playing on them or drinks and alcohol being spilt on them. My job is to try and understand what the client wants and how they want to live with the piece. I try not to be too prescriptive at the start and just trying to get an idea of, as I say, how they want to live with the piece, what they want it to do, how they want it to function. And for me, that's where the curves come into play quite often. There is a logic in why corners are curved, why a shape is like it is because of the flow of people around it and how they're going to interact with it. Yeah, working with the design is always a collaboration with a combination of myself, client and an interior designer. And in this instance, we've got Randell working on it. It's a fireplace and it's in the middle of two rooms, I suppose. It's sort of a divider between the lounge area and the dining area. It's a water-based sort of vapour fire, so I didn't need to worry too much about sort of fire regulations and that. We're trying new techniques, fiberglassing and vacuum forming and 3D veneering. The underside of the shape is a compound curve. It's like a curved helix. Having worked with sort of three-dimensional veneer in the past, I know how it works, but even with this one, we're sort of slightly changing the process. We've selected a bundle of walnuts, a pack of walnut veneer, European walnut veneer, and half of it has come to our workshop, which we're going to use for the flat panels, and then half of it I have sent to Germany to get processed into the three-dimensional veneer. And then we're working with King and Drury to coordinate the installation of it, which we have been sort of from day one, I guess, to work out the structural loads and how services get brought to the fireplace to feed the vapour fire. We aren't making sort of window display pieces. They are being made, being designed to be used, and yeah, that's the beauty of it.